On number 3, I'm trying to determine if the terms can make up an arithmetic sequence, and if so, to find the common difference. So to get from 5 to 8, we add 3. To get from 8 to 11, we add 3. 11 to 14, add 3. So this is indeed an arithmetic sequence. So yes, and the common difference is 3. For question number 4, to get from 4 to 2, we're subtracting 2. To get from 2 to 0, we're subtracting 2. And to get from 0 to negative 2, we're subtracting 2. So yes, this is arithmetic, and my common difference would be negative 2. So you can have a negative common difference. You're just adding a negative number each time.